A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma rabbana zidna ilman warzuqna fahman waj'alna min ashabil Qur'an waj'alna min 'ibadika sholihin. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, we, Alhamdulillah, continue our revision session. Now we are in lesson 3, number 11 and 12. Yesterday, we did number 11, some exercise of number 11, which is, it is non-flexible. See, 11 is non-flexible. So, and the thing that is being counted, it appears in tamyiz form. So, whatever you count, it should be singular, nasab, and common. As for the gender, you have to match it with the number. So, basically, the thing that you have to, worry, the thing that you have to watch out is the gender. So,
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, sister?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So let's try again number 11 like yesterday. 11 days. Still remember?
Yes.
What it should be?
Okay, it should be ahada.
Sorry, ahada.
Ahada ashara yoman.
Ahada ashara yauman. Yauman. Yes, because yaum is
masculine.
Yeah, so you go with masculine version. Yeah.
So it is tamiz.
Tamyiz. Yeah, it should be nasab. And similar. Okay. Now we have someone. Assalamualaikum, sister.
Walaikum assalam. I'm Saima. I've been listening to your recorded videos. I had a chance to go live today, so I'll try to answer your questions, or I'll just listen.
We will ask each other, inshallah.
That's fine.
Yeah, but now we try to make sense the concept first before we go with the exercise.
Okay.
Okay, so 12. 12, the thing that you have to watch out, the same, which is gender. But this time, it is fully flexible. So the word two is isnan, right? Isnan. Isnani. Ani, aini, two. So that's why isnani for rofa, isnaini for nasab and jar. Just like muslimani, muslimaini. And the feminine, the same, muslimatani, it's become isnatani. Isnataini, the same. So you can show rofa, nasab, and jar. And then the ashara part, it's still like that. So it doesn't matter whether the isnan part rofa or nasab or jar, it always ashara. You don't change like, oh yeah, isnani is rafa, right? So I have to change asharu. No, the ashara part still asharo, or the feminine asharota. What the change is in the first part for the status. So for example, here we have 12 days. This is still tamyiz, you don't change. Yauman singular, nasab, and kaman. Okay, and this is masculine, so you go with masculine. Isnani ashara yauman. 12 days in Rafa. If it is nasab, is 9. Ashara yauman. Jar, the same. Isnaini ashara yauman. Okay, so
it will become jar depending on the context of the sentence.
yeah, it
Okay.
depends on the context. Yeah. So let's try with 12 cat. So the word for cat is qitta, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, Sister Sarwat, do you wanna try first?
Okay.
So, what the word for 12?
Isnataini ashara kittatan.
Isnataini asyara qitta what?
Tan.
Oh, okay. Isnataini, yeah. So what status is this? Rafa, nasab, or jar? Aini?
Then it should be isnatani.
Yeah, this is correct, but what status?
It could be nasab or jar.
Yes, and for Rafa?
Isnatani.
Isnatani. Okay, thank you. Another one. Asyarata. You have to put ta marbuta. Isnatani asyarata qittatan. Okay. Let's try again with Sister Saima. How to say
Isna ashara kitaban.
isna asyara kitaban.
Oh,
Okay.
is it
Isna,
the that thing?
sorry?
I think you write the isna is not written correctly, right?
Yeah, it should be. Remember, Muslimani. So what?
Isnani, so it's good. You think it's isnani, but I'm looking at the textbook. I don't know why it's light in there.
Why
yeah, in the ayah, there's mention in the book on page 40. It says, then 12 springs gushed forth from it.
Yeah, you are correct.
Yeah, it's light. It's isnata ashrata. So I was confused. Why is that light?
Yeah, me too. My notes also light. See, let's see the notes here. It's not, we cannot say this is mode of ilahi because the ta is not jar. Maybe that's the form, like because Arab said so. Ustad didn't say any reason.
Yeah, my note says, and I'll read for it, 11 to 12 perfect match. Non-flexible tamyiz is the madud, and the number matches with the madud in gender. So
Yeah.
ahada ashara kitaban, and then ihda asharata kitaban. So maybe it has to be non-flexible, right? So it's always going to be isna or isnata. I don't.
No, the 11, for 11, yes, that's non-flexible, but for 12, it is flexible because you can make it, okay, isna, say this is light, isna, rofa, isnai, nasab, isnai, jar. So you can show all of the status. That's flexible, right?
My notes say they both should be non-flexible.
No, I think something wrong with that because what the example in this ayah, in the ayah?
Because you see, your notes also say isna, that's 12, not 11 actually. See?
Yeah. So when you get to 11, it's non-flexible, followed by a tamyiz, and the gender match with the tamyiz, meaning match with the ma'dud. And for 12, you have the same rules with 11, but it is flexible. So you can say for Rafa, Isna Asyara, yeah, this is should be like Isna Asyara, Isnai Asyara, Isnatai Asyara, yeah. I don't know. This is, maybe we should watch the recording again to make sure whether this is flexible or non-flexible. That's one problem. Another problem, apparently this is light, not heavy. The reason why, personally, I don't know. And as far as I remember, Ustad also didn't explain why this is light. So yeah. But for now, let's go with the flexible for 12 and non-flexible for 11. For me, this is just makes sense. 12 is flexible because it can follow Muslimun pattern. And for Ahada, yeah, the feminine version, it is non-flexible because alif maksura, but I don't know with the masculine version. So yeah, let's see the recording. But for now, let's do the exercise. So let's try again with the word student. Okay. Maybe Sister Sarwat again.
Okay. Is 12 student. Is Nani?
Nah, you cannot say isnani because you have to make it light.
So we are
it's-
going with that with the notes.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Isna Ashara Taliban.
Taliban. Sounds easier. Taliban. If this is 12 female
Then-
students,
Then
Mhm.
isnata asharata talibatan.
Asyarata Talibatan.
Tan.
Tamar buta ya?
Yes.
Okay. And then another example, 12 what? Cars. Okay, maybe Sister Saima can try this one.
Isna ashara sayyaratan. Oh no, isnata asharata sayyaratan.
Mhm.
And that is rafa. If it's an tai, then it's nasab and jar.
Yes.
Okay.
Yaratan. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Perfect. Alhamdulillah. Once more. 12. What again? Pen. Okay. Sister Saima again.
Isna ashara kalaman.
Isna asyara halaman. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, I think this is easier.
Do you want to do the 12 springs? And springs is ainan. Oh, I don't
Yeah.
know the plural of it. Yeah.
You don't need the plural because we have to make it tamis, right?
Right.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But ainan is feminine because Arab said so.
Okay. Therefore,
Isnata asharata ainan.
isnata asyarata ainan.
You know, maybe isnata just has to be light because we also used ahada instead of ahadan. So I don't know. We'll have to listen to the note lecture.
Yeah.
It's
So,
in intensive,
no.
It's
advanced.
day 37, advanced surf
Oh,
day 37
Okay.
at
Okay.
hour 30.
Hour 30.
Yeah, day 37.
37. Thank you.
So, basically in this ayah, fan fajarat min husnata ashrata aina. So, fan fajarat is feminine, right? So, here version. That's why isnata is used here in Rafa version because it is outside door of
Yes.
fan fajarat. So, this is Rafa and isnatani, isnata. If this is maybe maf'ul, nasab, maybe it will be isnatai. Yeah, because this is flexible.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. And then what about 11 springs? Sister Sarwat, do you want to try?
Ahada ashara ainan.
Ainan is a feminine because Arab.
Ainatan. Sorry. What did you say?
Springs, Ainan is feminine because Arab said so. So you have to use feminine version. Right?
Ihda ashara.
Yeah. Ihda. And then?
Asharata. Ainan.
Yeah. Ainan. Ihda. Am I correct? Ihda. Oh yeah. For feminine is ihda. Yeah.
Sorry, it was on page 12. Or
It was not, but Ustad mentioned on that
oh,
day. Yeah.
okay, okay.
Do you want to do 11 stars next?
Sure. So what I wanted to say is Rafa, Nasab, and Jar are the same. Yeah, because it is non-flexible. Now,
Yes.
star. Kaukabannya. It's what the word for star? Kaukab?
Kaukab, yeah.
Okay. Okay, Sister Sarwat again. You wanna try?
Ahada Ashara Kokaban.
Kaukaban. Okay. Sister Saima, 12 stars. Oh, wait, before this is Rafa, Ahada Asyara Kaukaban. Nasr, also. Jar, also the same. Now, 12. Okay. Go on, Sister Saima.
Oh, 12. Isna ashara kaukaban. Or isnai ashara kaukaban. Depends on the status.
Yeah. Kaukaban. Okay. Isna or isnai, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. So, I think we can move on to the next lesson. Which is lesson 4, number 13 to 19. First word mismatch, second word match, third word tamyiz. What does this mean? Okay. Salasun. Why didn't I put the harakah? So this is slide. Okay. Maybe here. Oh, I didn't put the harakah. Why? Yeah. The only one that I see the
It's
harakah.
light. It's light because the ayah is alayha tis'ata ashara. And that was 19. So
So it's light, yeah?
So I think these are all light because 11 and 12 also had it light, right? Ahada and Isna.
So we can say that 14, it is light, yeah? What the example from the Quran you said before, sister?
It's alayha tis'ata ashara.
Tis'ata
Ashara.
Ashara. What? For example,
And they're
kitaban.
talking about angels.
The angels. So malaika. No, kitaban. Let's see. Kitaban. Or based on the example in the notes is Salasa Aisyah Rata. What? Salasa Aisyarata Sayyaratan. Okay, now we can understand. Sayyaratan. Okay, I will remove this first. We depend on the tamyiz. Now, the tamyiz is feminine. So, the asyara part match in gender. Feminine, and the salasa part opposite. So that's why this is masculine. Okay. So if this is kitaban, this should be feminine. Salah sata or salah satu. And this should be masculine. Asyara kitaban. Okay. Yeah, so see the closest, the match. Okay. For example, how do you say 17 pens? Okay. Sister Sarwat?
Sab'atu
Sab'atu.
ashara
Mhm.
kalaman.
Halaman. Yes. Match, mismatch. Okay.
It is up to 20, 13 to 20,
19.
19. Okay.
And then what again? The word teacher. 16. Okay, Sister Saima again.
We are male or female teachers.
Okay, now male first.
Okay. Sab'atu ashara ustazan. Oh, sorry. Sittatu. Sorry. Sittatu ashara ustazan.
Asyara ustazan. Okay. Rafa nasab jar, this is fully flexible ya. We can say
Yes.
sittati. What about female teachers?
Sittu ashara asatizatan.
It's not ustazatan.
Ustazatan? Oh, sorry.
Maybe I'm not sure as well.
Yeah, it should be ustazatan.
So with alif, yeah. Yes.
Because the one that Sister Saima say, it is broken plural version, yeah.
How asatizatan? Okay.
And then, what's wrong
What
here?
is the correct word? Is ustazatan? What is the correct word here?
Yeah, this one, ustazah.
Okay.
It is correct.
Okay.
So what else that needs to be corrected here?
It's sittatu.
Which
No,
one?
sittu. Sorry. Hold on. Give me a second. Sittu asharata.
Yes, correct. You have to match the close ones. Okay, correct.
So for nasab and jar, so it would be sitti,
Yeah,
asharati.
No, ashara part doesn't change.
It will remain same.
Yes. This is that change. Okay. Situ, sita, sitiu. What else?
So everything will happen to the first digit, right? Even the status will change on the this first one, and the gender is also different in the first one.
Now you can say like that. Okay, yeah.
right?
Yeah, correct. So that's the fourth lesson. And the next we have here 20, 30, 90. It is genderless, follow plural in Muslim chart, and followed by tamyiz. This is easier, much easier. So 12 female teachers. What's the word? How to say 12?
20.
Sorry, how to say 20? How to say 20? We don't have 20.
I'm checking the book. It says Ishrina, Ishruna, Ishrina, Ishrina.
Yeah. Ishruna, yeah. Ishruna. So Ishruna, this is the different one. Ishruna, and then female teacher, Usta.
Ustazatan.
Yes, that's all. Ishruna Rafa,
Oh.
Ishrina Nasab, Ishrina Jar. Easier.
Yes.
The word that we need to remember is 20. Ishruna, Ishrina. 30, still Salasa. You make it in plural Muslim chart. Salasa, right? But you add una, become salasuna. 30. Arba'a. Add una, become arba'una. Or ina, arba'ina. So the different ones is 20. Ishruna, Ishrina. Okay. Now, until 19, yeah. So, how to say 17 book, Sister Saima?
Sab'una, Sab'ina.
Saba'una.
Oh, Kitaban. Oh, Kitaban.
Why kitaban?
It's Tamjiz, right?
Yes, tamyiz. Okay. And then Sister Sarwat, what? Cat.
Khamsuna kittatan.
Yes. Khamsuna or khamsina, ya. Kettatan. Nah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, alhamdulillah. Sittuna, sittina, sab'una, sab'ina, tamanuna. Okay. Yeah, the only difference is 20. Okay. Next. 21, 22, 31, 32, 41, 42, until 91, 92. First word match with third, second word genderless, third word tamyiz. Wahidatun wa ishruna kitaban.
So it's like 11 and 12, right?
Yeah, but 11 ahada.
Yeah, that was matching. Okay.
Wahidatun, really? Oh, wa ishruna kitaban, to make sure. Yes, it is kitaban. So what it say is the example is wrong, maybe. It should match. It should wahidun, right? What do you say?
Yes.
It's not sister?
Yeah, that's what I have written too. It says wahidatan ishruna sayyaratan.
Yeah, my example is not correct.
It says the madud matches in gender with the number.
Yeah.
So it is like 11 and 12 because 11 and 12 was also matching. So these are also matching 21, 22, 31, 32. So all the ones and twos match.
Match? 12. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm a little bit confused now.
Remember 11 and 12 was ahada ashara kitaban, right? Or ihda asharata sayyaratan. They were matching all throughout,
Yeah. And then?
right? So
Uh-huh.
now also in these, like 21, 22 is wahidun ashruna kitaban or wahidatan ashruna sayyaratan. So they match throughout. So all ones and twos match throughout.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Yeah, you are correct.
I have the book, that's I'm correct.
Yeah. So I wish I have the Word document so I can correct this notes. What to do? So yeah, let's try some example for T1 cars. Who wanna try? Mr. Sarwar or Mr.
Go ahead. Or you want me to try it?
Or you can go. Yes, you can.
Okay. So the cars is female, sayyaratan. So I'll start with that, sayyaratan. And 4 is arba'una. And so wahidatun arba'una sayyaratan. Wahidatun arba'una sayyaratan. Yes. Is that correct?
Is that correct, Mr. Sarwar?
Yes.
Because arbauna, all these 20s,
No.
30s, they are genderless.
Yes, Alif.
With Alif? What
Yes.
Alif?
Okay.
Okay.
It's not ain, it's alif. The spelling.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, arbauna. Okay. So this is correct, yeah?
Yeah. So can you repeat why it is arbauna?
We just did the other lesson, and remember, we said the 20s and 30s and 40s.
Okay. So
They are
that will
always
apply. Okay.
genderless. They're always genderless, and they are like arbauna, arbaina. So it's like Muslim chart.
And
plural.
wahidat. Okay. And wahidatun will remain same. Whether it is nasab or jar.
No.
It will also change.
Wahidatun. And then this is change, yeah? Also, arba'ina. Right?
Okay.
Because this is nasab, this is nasab. It has to be nasab too.
Yes.
There is no session. Sorry.
If this is a file, if it's an outside door, it will be wahidatun arba'una sayyaratan. If it is a maf'ul bihi, it will be wahidatan arba'ina sayyaratan. If it is a mudaf ilayhi, it will be wahidatin arba'ina sayyaratan. And this is coming from the north, so I'm just reading it.
Yeah, that's correct. And Sister Sarwat, maybe